Hello my good people, my name is Smashstar Mamba and this is Smashstar Mamba channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Turn on that notification bell. Are you struggling to summarize meetings, to summarize documents, write blogs, product description, emails? Stay tuned. I'll give you tools to help you solve that problem. Let's get to the video direct. Top 20 AI tools for entrepreneurs in 2025. I'm going to divide them into 4 categories. Number 1, productivity and automation, business automation. Number 2, we have idea generation and strategy. Number 3, we have marketing and customer engagement. Number 4, and the last one is content creation and branding. In each category, I'm going to give you five tools that will help you. In productivity and business automation, we have 5 tools. We have 5 tools in idea generation and strategy, 5 tools in marketing and customer engagement. We have 5 tools in content creation and branding. Let's get with the first category. Under the category of productivity and business automation, we have Notion. This will help you take notes using AI. Number 2, we have Zapier, depending on your pronunciation. Automates workflow between apps using AI logics. Number 3, we have ClickUp AI, manages your project work. Number 4, Motion, powered calendar that organizes your day. Number 5, Trello plus Balta AI for smart automation. Let's go to category number 2. Under the category of idea generation and strategy, we have ChatGPT. If you want to do coding and writing, you can use ChatGPT. Mind grasp, summarizes document and meetings. We have beautiful.ai. We also have Gamma app. There's also Tome, depending on your pronunciation. Let's go to the next category. Under the category of marketing and engagement with customer, we have Jasper. This will help you write blogs, product description, emails. Next one is Copy AI. I'm not going to talk too much about this one. If you need more details, tell me. We have Okoya AI. We have Safa SEO. I'm not going to talk too much about these ones. If you need more details, tell me. We have Add Creative AI. Let's go to the next category. If you need more details about these tools, just tell me. Under the category of content creation and branding, there's Canva AI. Everybody knows Canva. If you have not yet used Canva, just go download it now. It is good for designing log post, also creative videos with the AI. Next two is Synthesia AI. We have also Descript AI. We have Victor AI. We also have Runway ML. If this video has helped you, comment, like, share and subscribe. Till next time, next video.